When Space Invaders was created, Tomohiro Nishikado left in the lag caused by more invaders on the screen in order to create greater difficulty in the games. The color red doesn't really make bulls angry, they are color blind. In 2007, Scotland spent £125,000 devising a new national slogan. The winning entry was, "Welcome to Scotland. I've missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I've lost almost 300 games. 26 times, I've been trusted to take the game-winning shot and missed. I've failed over and over and over again in my life. And that is why I succeed. Through such efforts, we learn and grow." There is an underwater version of rugby, unsurprisingly called underwater rugby. It is a contact sport between two teams of 6 competing underwater in a pool to score goals while freediving. Standing around burns calories. On average, a 150-pound person burns 114 calories per hour while standing and doing nothing.